Federal government don't approve 66 billion naira to restore the Chochi irrigation project for Yola. Federal Executive Council don't hold their first Executive Council meeting since Salah celebration finish, and they constantly approve different memos when go help bring ogbonge development come Nigeria. One of the project when they approve now to restore the Chochi irrigation project for Yola, Adamawa State, when former Petroleum Trust Fund start for 1998. The project will help provide 1,200 hectares of land to help farming activities for the area.
And now we are poised to complete it, and one of the key issues is that the project is based on pumping. At the time it was awarded, diesel was very cheap, but now diesel is so expensive, so we are providing a solar component to provide energy for the pumps to irrigate the land. And this is one of the reasons, in addition to variation of prices, foreign exchange fluctuations, that calls for a review of this project, seeking for an augmentation of 6 billion and an extension of time to complete the project.
The council constantly signed bilateral agreements with Canada when will benefit both countries.
And the highlights of the bilateral air service agreement, otherwise known as BASA, involve the grants of rights and privileges, as well as, of course, the designation of airline, authorization, withholding, revocation, suspension, and limitation of authorization, application of national laws and regulations, safety standards, certificates and licenses, sales and transfer of funds, taxation.
The council constantly took mouth to approve the contract for the design, supply, and maintenance of public surveillance observation system for Port Harcourt and Kaduna airports, when before 1.49 billion naira. Hadi Sirika Wemby, Minister for Aviation, constitute mouth for Nigeria Air.
There is the ATL in place, which is the air transport license, in the favor of the company, and we've gone through almost all the stages of acquiring an AOC. We're at the last stage now to demonstrate the flights. We've taken time to do it so that once and for all, we're able to deliver an airline that would answer all the questions that need to be answered to get a very efficient, robust airline for the size of the market of Nigeria of 200 million people, and also the geography of Nigeria being at the center of Africa and equidistant from all locations. Please be patient. Very soon, the www.nigeriaair.world would soon be flying.
Omo Aluke Ajakai, TMC TV News.